My name is Jenny. I had been suffering for many years with a condition called endometriosis. Every month during my cycle, it is incredibly painful, excruciating. I was doubled over at times. And after finishing the cleanse, within the first 2 weeks, my energy was through the roof. The meals that you have prepared for the recipes are just amazing, so delicious. I have since I feel I've conquered the endometriosis. I don't feel the pain like I used to now that I have completed your cleanse program. It's amazing, Yuri. The delicious meals. I have a very busy life and I'm still able to do it. I go to school full time, I work full time, but I've also completed your program. So I just want to tell you thank you so much for all the work that you've done on this. My energy is through the roof. All the nutrients that I've got, it's just amazing. Thank you so much, Yuri.
Hi Yuri, my name is Lancy, and I want to thank you for putting together the Total Wellness Cleanse, as it has completely changed my life. When I started, or just before I started the Total Wellness Cleanse, I was 14 pounds overweight, and I was having digestion issues, bloating, constantly feeling just not at my best. I had tried different regimens of eating. I've been counting my calories. I was working out like a fiend, going to the gym 5 and 6 times a week, and I just wasn't making any progress. I was skeptical because I usually don't buy things online, but everything that I downloaded, not only was it a great program, but it teaches us exactly what we're doing and why, and how the body works, and how we can feed our body the best. So I'm happy to say that I've lost the weight that I wanted to lose, and my energy is back. I don't have the regular bloating and digestion issues at all. And my skin has cleared up. It's glowing and soft and supple like finally it's ever been. And I'm just a completely different person. And I just thank you so much for the Total Wellness Cleanse, and I tell everybody about it. God bless you.
Hey Yuri, just wanted to let you say thank you for helping me win my battle over food. By doing the Total Cleanse, I really overcame all my food addictions. Gone are the migraine-inducing headaches caused by caffeine drinks, the sugar-infused desserts, the preservatives, the GMOs, the gluten, and all those things that make your body feel sluggish and blah. My cravings decreased, my energy levels increased, my joints ached a lot less, and I actually slept through the night for the first time in ages. I had no idea that what I'd always considered was comfort food was actually making me feel very uncomfortable. By the end of the 30 days, I'd lost almost 15 pounds, but what I gained was so much more. I gained control over what I put in my mouth and what I fed my body. Gone were those emotional ties that I had with food that I used to love. It's been 4 months, including the cleanse month, and I've lost 50 pounds. But what I've gained are the skills that I learned throughout the cleanse that I've adapted to eating a clean lifestyle. It isn't just a diet. It's not something I did for 30 days and decided I was just going to go back to my old habits. This program literally did change how I look at food. And I wish you continued success in spreading your Total Wellness Cleanse to those wishing to control food rather than have food control them. So good luck to you, and thanks a lot for your program.
I made it through the 14 days, then I went on to the maintenance phase, and I've just stayed there. Love the recipes, lots of spices, really good flavors, even some new spices that I wasn't even aware of, so that was pretty cool. And just have felt so much better. I did lose a little bit of weight on the cleanse, and now I'm maintaining, so that's a good thing. And I think the biggest thing, coffee is completely out of my diet, as well as cheese is completely out of my diet, and other dairy, so that just hugely makes my joints feel so much better. And I think the biggest thing for me was listening to my body, so knowing when I'm actually hungry. I'd gotten into this habit of, it's 12 o'clock, I have to eat, if I was hungry or not, and now that's not the case. So thank you so much for getting me on the healthy path.
This is Gwendolyn. I'm here to give a fantastic testimonial to Yuri and his team at Total Wellness Cleanse. I'm so grateful for all of you. When I found Total Wellness Cleanse, my issues were being overweight. It was difficult to get up from the ground. It was difficult to move my body, to hike, to bike, and I also had pains in my feet. And after doing the cleanse, I lost 20 pounds. I've been on the maintenance ever since, and I've lost another 9 pounds. So I'm incredibly grateful, feel fantastic. It's really easy to move my body now. I will continue on the maintenance of this beautiful cleanse. I highly recommend it.